Hey guys, good morning, and this is Dole here, and you are watching KD Architects. So, welcome to KD Architects. So, today in this video, I'll talk about spiral stair, how you guys can create the spiral stair in the Revit, and I'll be showing you how you guys can create the decorative support under the trade of the spiral stair. So, we'll see step by step tutorial in this video. So, keep watching till end to understand better. So, instead of wasting time, let's get started. So over here on the screen we have level 1 and here I'll open 3D view first and let me change views to tile view. Okay, now it's better to visualize the stair modeling. Okay, so we'll create the spiral stair first. So for that you need to go to into architecture tab over here, and here you will find the stair icon. So just select on the stair icon. Now, here we'll create the 80 max riser, 180 max riser, and 275 trade. So, we are creating assemble stair, and now here you will have a different geometrical method to modeling of stair. So, here we'll choose the full step spiral. Now, here we are creating the stair from level 1 to level 2. So, we have a desired stair height is 10 feet. Okay. Now, we'll create the stair having a actual run width is 3 feet. So, here we'll change the 3 feet first. Okay. Now, let me create one spiral stair. So, here I'm creating the spiral stair. सो एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे इफ़ यू ऑब्जर्व यहाँ पे मैं उसका जो डायमीटर है वो यहाँ पे चेंज कर रहा हूँ, तो स्पाइरल स्टेयर का जो लेआउट है कुछ इस तरह से चेंज हो रहा है. सो हियर विल क्लोज द स्पाइरल स्टेयर लाइक दिस. ओके, दैट्स फाइन. ओके, now let me show you in the 3D. Okay, so here we are using the selection box command. So here we'll use the BX for the selection box. So here you can see the spiral stair very closely. Okay, now we'll finish the spiral stair. Okay, let me adjust the selection box. Okay, now यहाँ पे हमारे पास spiral stair जो आ चुके हैं. And if you observe over here, we have support on the left and right, and trades and risers both in the spiral stair. So as you can see on the screen, we'll create this kind of spiral stair having a decorative support. So Revit doesn't have any particular tool to create this kind of stair, but we can choose the another way to create this kind of stair. So let's start to create this kind of stair. Okay, now let's go to 3D view over here, and here first we'll remove the both supports. For that just select the stair, and here we'll duplicate first. So here click on the duplicate, and here we'll give the name spiral stair. In the bracket we can say decorative support. Okay, that's fine for the naming, and click on the OK. नाउ यहाँ पे हमने पूरा स्टेयर टाइप जो है वो यहाँ पे डुप्लीकेट कर लिया है. नाउ हियर विल रिमूव द सपोर्ट फर्स्ट. फॉर द राइट सपोर्ट हियर विल सेलेक्ट नन, एंड फॉर द लेफ्ट सपोर्ट विल सेलेक्ट द नन एज वेल. ओके, now here also you need to make the changes in the run type. So here first we'll duplicate the run type over here. So here you will find this kind of dialog box for the run type. So here we'll duplicate run type as well. So click on the duplicate, and let's say decorative support run type, support run. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, click on the OK. And now here we'll make some changes. So here we don't want the riser, so we'll uncheck this option, and here for the slanted option we'll also uncheck this option. Okay, now click on the OK. Now if you see, we have duplicated the run type and we have selected that type over here in the run type, decorative support run. Okay. So now हमने यहाँ पे जो स्पाइरल स्टेयर का जो डुप्लीकेट बनाया था उसमें सारे सेटिंग्स जो है वो हमने यहाँ पे चेंज कर दिया. फॉर द रन टाइप वी हैव सिलेक्टेड पर्टिकुलर डुप्लीकेटेड डेकोरेटिव run type, and in the first right support we have selected none, in the left we have selected none. Okay, now click on the OK. So as you can see, we have clean trees only in the spiral stair. Okay, now further step is just select the stair over here. First, select this internal inside railing. So let's go to in the plan. Over here, if you observe, we have a offset from the path that is 1 inch. So let me change this offset from the path up to 1 feet 6 inch. Okay, let's see. Okay, so somewhere here यहाँ पे हमारी रेलिंग जो है वो आ चुकी है. And now let me change the type of this railing. So over here we'll choose the rectangular railing type. Now here if you observe, on the each trade we have two uh, support, or we can say baluster. So we need to change. So to change the baluster, we'll go to railing type over here. So here first we'll duplicate the railing type over here, and here click on the duplicate, and here we'll give the name, let's say new baluster rail type. Okay, that's fine. New baluster rail, and click on the OK. Now here we'll make the changes in the railing type. So first of all, here if you observe, we have baluster type is 50-50. For now, we'll keep as it is and click on the OK. Now let's go to again edit type, and now go to baluster placement. So over here we have multiple types, or we have different options for changing the baluster or pattern setting. So over here first if you observe, we have over here square baluster. So we'll change the baluster type later, but for now for the corner and end and start post we'll select none. So over here we'll select none. Again for the all three option we'll select none. Okay, and for the space over here we'll enter the 0 0. Okay, now apply. Okay, okay, okay. So now here see we have two baluster on each trade. So again go to edit type and go to baluster placement, and now here you will find option use baluster per trade. So you need to check this option always. And now over here for the baluster per trade we'll change it to 1. And here if you observe baluster family type, for now we have kept the 25 mm. So keep as it is for now, and click on the apply, click on the OK, click on the OK. Now if you observe, now we have only one you can say baluster on the per trade. Yeah, that's fine. So that is what we want. Now we'll change the over here baluster family. Now to create the decorative support, we'll make change the in the baluster in this rail type. So for that we'll create no baluster family first. So now over here to create the baluster family, go to file tab over here, and here you need to create the new family. So just click on that. Now here in the family template you will find English Imperial. I'll choose the baluster template. Click on the open. Okay, now we have opened the baluster family template. Here we'll create the baluster family. Okay, so let's create. So for that, here I'll choose the front view first. Go to elevations, and here we'll choose the front view. Let's close left view. Let's close reference level for now. Okay, that's fine. Now from the front, we'll create the baluster. So here I'll choose the extrusion, and now here I'll select the front, back, center reference plane and click on the OK. Now let me create the profile of the baluster over here. So here we are creating the stair. We are creating the baluster under the trade. So we'll make the baluster over here. So for that, over here, let me open particular one elevation. Okay, so if you observe here, we have trade depth 131 by 32 approx 2 inch. So that's fine. So let's go to family over here. So here we'll create the first, let's say 2 inch offset over here, and ओके सो हमारा जो बालूस्टर टाइप है बालूस्टर की फैमिली है वो यहाँ से स्टार्ट होगी एंड लेट मी क्रिएट बालूस्टर फैमिली सो ओवर हियर लेट्स कीप इट अराउंड 4 इंच एंड हियर लेट्स से 2 इंच and now we have total depth of actual run width is 3 feet. If you observe here, we have actual run width is 3 feet. Over here, yeah, actual run width is 3 feet. So here we'll keep the length of decorative support, that is let's say 2.6. That's fine. Okay, so here we'll change the 2.6 for now. Okay, now again here let's say we'll make the line of 1 inch and let's connect this line. Okay, so we'll create this kind of baluster shape. And now here first let's put the value in the extrusion and 1 inch and extrusion start, let's say 2 inch. Sorry, 1 inch. Now click on the finish and let me show you in the 3D view of family. Okay, so something went wrong over here. Let's do it again. Okay, we need to put the value over here 1 and minus 1 inch, and again click on the finish. Yeah, we have created the baluster type, decorative baluster type, so it looks like this. Okay, now just you need to save this family. Control S. Here we are saving the family on the desktop, decorative baluster family. Okay, now save and we'll load this family to the project. So load into project. Now हमारे project में यहाँ पे baluster family जो है वो आ चुके हैं. Let's go to 3D view of the project, and now here in the railing type we'll change the baluster family. Okay, so here we have new baluster railing type जो है उसमें हम baluster का type जो है वो change करेंगे. Now in the baluster placement, go to edit, and now here we'll change the baluster type. So here we have decorative baluster family. Select that, and here we'll select the top. We'll keep it host for now, and here base offset, let's put 2 inch. Okay, now we have selected the baluster family type. Also we need to choose the baluster family type over here, so we'll choose decorative baluster family. Okay, click on the OK, click on the OK. Okay, so यहाँ पे baluster family कुछ इस तरह से आई है. So we'll give the offset in the baluster family. So let's go to plan and change to wireframe to measure the distance. Okay, for the measuring we'll use the measure tool. Here let's say 1.6 we need to give the offset over here. Okay, so let's go to again in the family edit, and here we'll go to edit type and we'll move the family to 1 6 feet and click on the OK. Now again load into the project, override the existing. So as you can see यहाँ पे perfectly हमारी जो बाल family decorative support जो है वो exactly यहाँ पे perfectly fit हो गया है. Let me change over here. Okay, so now it's look perfectly good and it's fine. Okay, now let's assign the material. So go to family, edit, and here select the extrusion, and here you will find the material. So just uh, select this option, associate family parameter. So here we'll create new parameter, and here uh, let's say material. That's fine. We'll keep it type parameter for now. Click on the OK and click on the again OK. Now यहाँ पे हमारा जो मटेरियल का पैरामीटर जो वो क्रिएट हो गया है. अगेन लोड इनटू प्रोजेक्ट, ओवरराइड द एग्जिस्टिंग वर्जन. सो यहाँ पे लेट्स गो टू 3D व्यू ऑफ आवर प्रोजेक्ट. Now here if you observe, we have added the baluster decorative support, but we have a top rail over here. So we'll remove in the railing type, go to edit type, and over here we'll uncheck this option, use top rail, and click on the OK. So as you can see, we have neat and clean stair type, or we can say we have created the stair having a decorative support. So like this way you can create the this kind of stair. Revit doesn't have particular tool, or we can say a particular command to create this kind of stair, but you can play with different parameters and you can create this kind of stair. Okay, now let's change the material of this baluster over here. Okay, to change the material, you need to go to over here families, and here you have baluster family. Go to over here, let's search the baluster family. So let's search decorative, and let's select on the next. Yeah, we have found the decorative family. So here we'll change the wood material. So let's assign the wood material. Yeah, let's select the cherry and click on the OK. Now let's see how it looks in the 3D. We'll change fine, and here we'll select realistic. Okay, now it looks fine. Also you can assign the material to the trade. Let's assign, go to edit type, and here in the run type you can change the material of the trade. So here also we'll change the material of the trade. So let's assign wood, but another type. Okay, let's use the off flooring for now. Click on the OK. Let's see. Yeah, so now we have complete stair having a decorative support. So like this way you can create this kind of stair, and you should play with the parameters, and you can create the this kind of stuff in the Revit. So I hope you like this video, and if you really like our video, please leave one like and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.